In front of me is Tank 3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts and select Add Contact. Now click on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you want to remove one of them, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!